We started our Aruba trip at the airport, with Ryan running around and full of energy. We flew direct on United about 4.5 hours. Pro tip: bring some new toys for the kids and make sure their tablets are fully charged. Snacks go a long way on this part of the trip too. Getting into the Aruba airport was pretty easy. You take the escalator up and then head into customs. The line to exit was really long, but they just opened it up and let everyone through quickly. After landing, we used Palma Transportation to get to the hotel. It was okay, but honestly I'd recommend just taking a taxi or renting a car. Renting a car is definitely the best way to get around.
Oh, there you go, Piedmont Gucci. Cartier. It's the Mars.
Stayed at the brand new street, Regis Aruba, and spent 85,000 Marriott points per night to book the stay. The hotel was fantastic. A wonderful gentleman escorted us to our room, which had an amazing ocean view. I think we were on the 9th floor. Gelato was $5, and the kids absolutely loved it. were great overall. But heads up, there's a strange platform the beds sit on. So watch your step getting on or off the bed. It's very windy in Aruba, so if you're flying a drone, make sure it has at least level 5 wind resistance. The food at Street Regis was great, with plenty of delicious options to choose from. The pools here are amazing, with multiple infinity pools overlooking the ocean, perfect for relaxing or snapping some great photos. The beach is one of the best on the island's soft white sand, calm turquoise waters, and just steps from the pools. Total paradise. The kids' club was absolutely free, and we dropped off my daughter, who loved it so much she didn't want to leave. I don't think it'll be free forever, so enjoy it while you can. The location is great, just a short walk from shopping. Great food, and easy access to shopping. The Courtyard Marriott nearby has an awesome gift shop with local artisan crafts, beach worry, and snacks.
Can't go out this way. We gotta go back in and go down the ramp.
Overall, Aruba in 25 is still delivering on the dream beautiful resorts. Just remember to consider the resort fees and get a rental car for the best experience.
I'm recording you. It's a video. So you can dance for the video like